So friends, imagine you could get permanent residency of the United States of America just by paying money.
Selling a gold card. You have a green card, this is a gold card. We're going to be putting a price on that card of about $5 million, and that's going to give you green card privileges.
Sounds very transactional, right? But Donald Trump is offering exactly the same thing. It's called the new gold card for the super rich people. All you have to do is pay 41 crore Indian rupees and the US permanent residency is yours. The US already had the EB-5 investor visa category for the super rich, but the gold card is even more exclusive and expensive. Is this a new way of immigration or just a shortcut for the ultra rich of the world? Let's decode all of that in this video and understand all about this controversial visa. If you are new to the channel, my name is Sheetal and I am the founder of DuesPaid. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please go now and do so because we upload a lot of videos that can make your move to the US easier. So let's begin today's video. Donald Trump has announced a new visa category called the Gold Card. To get this card, you have to invest 5 million US dollars, which roughly translates to around 41 crore Indian rupees in the US. And in return, you get a green card, which eventually would translate to a permanent residency. This scheme is expected to launch in the next 2 weeks. However, the exact modalities of this program have not been revealed yet. However, experts believe that more than 2,000 people are expected to apply for this gold card in the first year of this plan. If that happens, US government can actually raise more than 9.8 billion US dollars just by selling these gold card to rich investors. Trump, while announcing this new program, said that nothing like this has ever been done before, but the broad strokes of the program are very similar to the existing EB-5 investor visa category, except that there is a higher price tag on this visa right now. So let's understand that why US administration is even coming up with a new visa program when we are seeing crackdown on immigration from all four directions. So the answer is very simple. They are not trying to immigrate people, but they are attracting investors which will also get the money with them, which will eventually be converted into wealth that the US economy will have. So the Trump administration is simply trying to find ways to reduce America's financial deficit. An analysis from October 2024 suggests that Trump's financial plans could actually increase America's financial deficit by 7.75 trillion US dollars in the next 10 years. The US deficit was already 1.83 trillion US dollars in 2023. So the math is simple. The US government needs more money, and to attract money, the US government is offering new visa programs like the Gold Card. If this program becomes successful, the US government is actually aiming to raise more than 48 billion US dollars. Now let's talk a little bit about the existing EB-5 visa category. So the EB-5 investor visa has been a popular option for rich foreign investors. They could invest 1 million US dollars, create 10 jobs that went to US nationals, and then apply for a green card. But the process was lengthy, the requirements were even trickier, and on top of it, the US only offered 10,000 EB-5 visas in a year, which was only 7.1% of all the employment-based visa that the US offers in 1 year. Between 1990 and 2023, more than 100,000 people got the EB-5 visa, but more than 80% of it went to foreign investors that belong to China. People who get the gold card will have green card-like status and a direct pathway to US citizenship. US Commerce Secretary has said that only wonderful world-class global citizens will get this visa. Another big advantage for all the gold card holders would be the ability to set up their businesses in any state of the US without any state restrictions. This means that these wealthy people will not just be able to target financial or tech hubs like New York City or the Silicon Valley, but will also be able to set up their businesses in states like Texas or Florida, which are actually competing to attract more money and wealthy people. The exact eligibility criteria for this visa has not been revealed by the US government yet, but it's already making a lot of controversies. When reporters asked Trump if Russian oligarchs could apply for this visa, listen to what Trump said.
A Russian oligarch be eligible for a gold card?
Yeah, possibly. Hey, I know some Russian oligarchs that are very nice people. It's possible. They're not quite as wealthy as they used to be.
Inviting foreign investors in your country and giving them permanent residency in return is not a new concept. Many European countries like Spain, Greece, Portugal already have such golden visas in place that the Trump administration is trying to introduce in the US. In European countries, people could invest 2 to 4 crore rupees and get permanent residency in return. Since 2013, Spain has issued more than 15,000 golden visas, earning more than 46,000 crore rupees. Portugal, on the other hand, has made more than 52,000 crore rupees. Greece, on the other hand, has been able to make more than 38,000 crore rupees just between 2021 and 23 by selling these golden visas to ultra-rich investors. If the US Gold Card program is as successful as the golden visas in European countries, the US government could actually earn more than 36 billion US dollars in just next 5 years. But all of this sounds very hunky-dory. What is the equal and opposite reaction of this? So in European countries, real estate prices have been soaring solely because of this golden visa, making it very difficult for locals to buy home. In Lisbon, Portugal and Madrid, Spain, real estate prices have increased by more than 150% in the last 10 years. Due to these problems being faced by their own citizens, countries like Ireland and Spain have already discontinued their golden visas. Do you think something like this could happen to the US as well? That is something that the time will tell. Economists predict that if a lot of people apply for these gold card being offered by the US government, then property prices in popular destinations like New York City and California state can actually soar up just like European countries. Is this gold card for you? Well, definitely most of the people who come to the US are either students or working professionals that do not earn close to 5 million US dollars. So it's not a very viable option for them. But if you are a successful entrepreneur or a high net worth individual, you should definitely explore this program. It could lead to an easy way to US citizenship. Every year, more than 1,500 Indians apply for the EB-5 investor visa. I am sure if the gold card route turns out to be faster and simpler, more Indians will automatically get attracted to it. But do you think this is fair that the ultra-rich get to navigate the immigration system just by paying money, and it's often the easier route as well? Do let us know what you think about the gold card and what do you think about the ultra-rich getting their way out of the immigration fiasco. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care, stay healthy, and keep paying your dues for a better tomorrow.